Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about Homewood, Alabama, and what we're talking about is why are flood insurance premiums so high, and how can you change that? First of all, let's talk about the why. You know, Homewood, Alabama is a unique area. You have a lot of areas with subgrade foundations. These might be crawl spaces. These might even be basements in many situations, which can make flood premiums much higher. But also what else can make it higher is the areas or locations of Shades Creek. Shades Creek has a history of flooding in many areas. Maybe not be necessarily areas of Homewood, but there are other areas which does put Homewood at risk. So now that we talked about the why, how do you get these flood insurance premiums down? Well, there's several ways you could get these premiums down in Homewood, Alabama. One might be an elevation certificate. Using the numbers on this to show FEMA that your house is really above the base flood elevation, or it's closer to the base flood elevation than they say it is. Maybe it's a house with an above grade crawl space that you have flood vents in, and you can show them this, so it's no longer the lowest rated floor. So that's one way. Another way might be looking at private flood insurance options. Just recently we had a customer where it was a 50% difference in flood insurance premiums between the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance on their Homewood property on Broadway Street. So this is why flood insurance premiums are so high in Homewood, Alabama, and how you can change them. So remember, if you've got questions about flood insurance in Homewood, Alabama, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.